Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve the Morpho Helenor Octavia magic cube. Okay, so it has six sides, just like a regular 2 by 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. On top is yellow, on the bottom is white, in front of us is blue, on the back is green or yellow green, on the right side is red, and on the left side is orange. Each side has a center. Okay, it has a center. It also has four corners and four edges. Okay, so the core mechanism is just like a regular 2 by 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Okay, the inner core is actually a sphere shape. Okay, or a spherical shape. Okay, I can show it to you. I can open this up. Now this is an extension of the edge piece. Okay, this is the edge piece. It has two colors, yellow and blue. Now these are the extensions. Okay, so this extension is actually not like this. Okay, I curved this, okay, using sandpaper to prevent it from clashing with the opposite edge piece. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll show it to you. Wait, see? Okay, so now it will just slide with each other. Okay, so before, it is not curved like this. Okay, it is the tip is pointing with each other. Okay, that's why when I going to, or when I rotate this, okay, it will clash with the opposite extension edge piece. Okay, then if I will force it, okay, then the pieces will pop out. Okay, so to prevent that from happening again, so I curve this. Okay, now it will just slide. Okay, so I was too excited to curve this out without noticing that it was already too short. See? Okay, so you can curve it. Okay, just don't make it too short. Okay, just slightly curve it to prevent it from clashing with the other or with the opposite extension of the edge piece. Okay, so why? Because once it is too short, okay, when we are going to rotate this, okay, you can see the terminal of the pieces. Okay, so now the terminal is too exposed. Okay, it doesn't have too much uh, thing to hold it or to prevent it from popping out. Okay, see, I can pull it very easily. Okay, so uh, that's why if you are going to curve it to prevent it from clashing with the other opposite edge extension edge piece, just do it uh, gently. Okay, uh, just cut it a little, only a little. Okay, so that it still have something to prevent the terminal of the uh, outer shells from popping out. Okay, so but this is actually not bad. Okay, because I can rotate it smoothly, not like before. Okay, okay, now I will show you the inside of this cube. Okay, so these are the outer shell for the center. Okay, this one also. Now this is the extension of the edge piece, another extension of the edge piece. This is the outer shell of the center. It has hole in it so that you can see the inside, because the color can change once we have jumbled this cube. Okay, right now the colors or the color are all yellow because it is not jumbled. But once it is jumbled, the color can be different. Okay, it can be green, red, orange, blue. Okay, but it can be solved just like a regular 2 by 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Okay, so okay, okay, see, so it is a sphere, a spherical shape. Okay, it is a spherical shape, but can be solved just like a regular 2 by 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Okay, see, now it also has holes. Okay, the holes are actually to put the edge pieces. Okay, the main edge pieces and the 4 extensions. Okay, now I want to show you this one is the actual corner piece. It has 3 colors: yellow, blue, and orange. So the corners or the corner piece or the corner pieces is usually have 3 colors. Okay, so this is the actual corner piece. Okay, now these are the outer shells. Okay, the outer shell for the corner is actually longer than the corner shell of the center. This is the shell for the center. It is shorter. Okay, so now we will put it back. Okay, we will put the extension first. Okay, we will put back the extension first. Okay, this side. Okay, now this side. The other one. Okay, okay, now the outer shell for the center. There are 4 pieces of the outer shell for the center. The colors of the center can change when jumbled, so as the outer shells. Okay, same goes with the 4 corners or 4 corner pieces and the outer shell of the corners can also altered. The color can be changed when jumbled. Okay, so now to rotate this, okay, it is just like rotating a regular 2 by 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Okay, now we can also rotate the edges like a curvy copter. See, okay, but we cannot rotate the 2 adjacent edges. Okay, why? Because see the terminal. it will stuck with each other. See, you cannot rotate it. Once you force it, it will pop out. Okay, so we should rotate this, okay, one edge apart, okay. So if we are going to swap the edge pieces with the other edge pieces of other this one, okay, we must if we are going to rotate this in a forward slash manner, this one also, okay, the position is now in a forward slash, this one also, okay. So we cannot do it oppositely like this, okay. This is a backslash, now this is a forward slash. If we do that, then okay, it is very hard to continue. See the alignment is not okay, it is not straight, okay, therefore we cannot really rotate it. If we force it, then it will all pop out, okay, it will all pop out. So okay, so we need to rotate this back, okay, like so, okay, okay. So this is a backslash position, this one also. Now we can rotate it, okay. Now to swap the two, forward slash, okay, just rotate it, okay, okay. So if you want to swap the edge pieces, so it should be one edge apart, okay, it cannot be adjacent, okay. Now I also like to point out that there is a pattern, there is always a pattern, okay, when swapping the two, okay. So now this is in a forward slash, this one also. Now if we are going to swap the two, okay, you will then you will notice that there is a pattern, okay. These two, okay, have the same color. Now these two are not the same, okay. So this is white, then orange, red, okay. Now this is red, yellow and white. These two are the same, these two are not, okay. There is always a pattern like that, okay. So we must remember that pattern, okay. We must form that pattern in order to solve these edge pieces, okay. Okay, now I'm going to divide this tutorial video into 7 parts, okay. Part 1 is the introduction, like what we are doing now. Part 2 is the pairing of the main edge piece with its extensions, okay. Then part 3 is pairing the outer shell of the center with the outer shell of the corners. Then part 4 is we are going to solve the centers, okay, just like a regular 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube. Then part 5 is that we are going to pair the half of the edge with the other half and place it in their proper places, like this one. This is white, this is red, okay. Now part 6, okay, is that we are going to place the pairs of outer shells, which is now a leaf, okay. So in their proper places. Okay, and then part 7, which is the last part, we are going to fix the four corners of each side. Okay, we are going to fix their permutation and their orientation. Okay, so huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.